Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review on the Reese's peanut butter the snack size bag. So let's get right into this review. As you can see right here, I already have a Reese's cup laid out for you. These Reese's cups are super delicious because first of all it's made from delicious milk chocolate, which has a lot of peanut butter packed in the middle. So if you're a peanut butter fan and you're a chocolate fan, this is the best combination that you can get. Now we're going to move on back to the bag right here. As you can see, this is a 10.5 ounce bag, so it actually has a lot of hand size of Reese's cups in there. I don't know exactly the number of Reese's cups that are in here, but we can definitely count them real quick. Okay, so we have, this comes in the snack size, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So it looks like 14 are packed inside of here. And also you can use these Reese's cups for like party bags or for like a piñata. You can also use them for trick or treat. So, and also another thing, you can use them for delicious recipes. So you can use your creativity to create some delicious recipes using these Reese's cups. Overall, this is a super delicious snack, a candy that me, my daughter, and all my kids love. And yeah, so this is something that I highly recommend. And I just want to say thank you for watching this review, and I will see you in the next video.